Happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from August the 3rd through the 9th, okay? What I decided to do this week is I'm going to be using my Dollar Tree stickers that are based on a dog. It reminds me of Maggie. And I love that little pink and blue in through that. I think it's so sweet. And then I found this paper. Usually I get my paper at Hobby Lobby, but I was at Michael's, and so I just said, well, I'll go ahead and pick it up there. But I love how this sort of picks up that pink and black and blue theme, and this reminds me of her sweet little paws. And I'm going to be using this washi that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and look how it coordinates with this paper. Is that not unbelievable? So I'm going to be doing that, and then I'm just going to use this Paper Mate pen right here. So let me go ahead and take my pages out of my planner, and I'm glad everyone enjoyed the little llama theme I did last week. Okay, I've decided I want this to be the dominant paper of the spread. I just love all those little hearts. And then this paper is just precious. That's all you can say about it. Okay, let's go ahead and put our paper down like we want it. I think those little paw prints are adorable. It reminds me of her just going everywhere. Okay, let's start gluing our paper down. And she's in here with me in the craft room. She's seeing what all she can get into. I think this is precious. Now she's back in her little bed. I love that. That is so sweet. I love that. Okay, let's start putting our washi down. And I cannot believe how well this Dollar Tree washi matches this paper. Oh my gosh. That is funny. I love that washi when I saw it. I haven't seen a lot of washi at my Dollar Tree here lately, except this and a few other ones that I found. And I'm going to go right down through here because I really think it does finish off the spread nicely. That is just as sweet as it can be. Reminds me of her, full of love and life. Okay, now let's get our stickers from the Dollar Tree. I'm loving their stickers. Okay, I think I'm going to take this one. It says my best friend, and I'm going to put that right there. I think that's adorable. Sorry about the glare. And then I think I'm going to put dog right here. And these are very much dimensional stickers. They almost look like metal to me. And here is, let's see, live, love, and we'll put woof over here. Okay, and then here's a really pretty paw print. I think I'll just put that maybe like that. And then friend right there. And then here's just a itty bitty little paw print. Maybe we'll put this right there. And then this is a really pretty husky. Maybe we'll put him right there. And then this is a little dog with a cat. So if you love cats, Dollar Tree has you covered right there, okay? So let me just write a few things down. Okay, let's put my pages back inside my planner and take a look at this. But I think this is just so sweet. I just love working on these spreads. It's such a fun, creative outlet. It is very relaxing. I'll bend this forward so you can see it a little better. But I just love these stickers. They are so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love the dimensional, and they look so like metallic to me. They look metal. And I love this paper, and this washi from the Dollar Tree is perfect. So I've put up 2 videos today. I put up this planner, and then I have put up a Dollar Tree haul with a lot of new finds. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you Friday for another fall DIY. So until next time, bye guys.